Suspect in the cocoa piece mass taking out of our entire family confessed to the slaying. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police sources have stated that the suspect in the taking out of a mother and her 4 children in Cocoa Peace, Clarendon has reportedly confessed to the crime. However, no official word has been given by the police. Roshane Barrett was apprehended Tuesday evening at his parents' house in Trelawney. 34-year-old Kimisha Wright and her 4 children were found brutally taken out inside their home on Monday. Their throats were slashed. Barnett was named shortly as the person of interest in the matter. Roshane Barnett, the man the police named as a person of interest in relation to the taking out of 5 of his cousins, 4 of them children, had initially denied any involvement in the crime. Barnett, who is said to be aged 23 years old, who had been described by his brother as a nice youth, who is a little bit too angry at times, surrendered to the police in Wilson Run, Trelawney on Tuesday night. He allegedly fled the New Road Chapelton community in Clarendon after the taking out of the family members. By car, it would have took the individual at least 2 hours to reach Trelawney. However, up to the publication of this report, Barnett had not been charged by the police. He reportedly told his father that he was not responsible for the acts which brought the country on their knees after the news spread of this gruesome taking out. In Wilson Run yesterday, O'Shane Barnett, an elder brother of Roshane Barnett, struggled to find words to express his anger and sadness over the incident. It's been reported that arrangements were being made for Roshane to be collected in the community by the police. His mother has also been taken into custody. We are not sure whether charges will be laid against her for harboring a fugitive. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.